Sahih Al-Bukhari 3566, narrated Abu Juhayfa radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. By chance, I went to the Prophet sallallaho alaihi wasallam at noon while he was al-abta resting in a tent. Bilal radiyallahu ta'ala anha came out of the tent and pronounced the azan for the prayer, and entering again, he brought out the water which was left after Allah's Messenger sallallaho alaihi wasallam had performed the ablution. The people rushed to take some of the water. Bilal radiallahu ta'ala anha again went in and brought out a spear-headed stick, and the Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam came out as if I were now looking at the witnesses of his leg. Bilal radiallahu ta'ala anha fixed the stick, and the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam offered a 2 rakat Zuhr prayer and a 2 rakat Asr prayer while human donkeys were passing in front of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam beyond the stick. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3567, 3568, narrated Aisha radiyallahu ta'ala anha. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to talk so clearly that if somebody wanted to count the number of his words, he could do so. Narrated Urwa bin Az-Zubair radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Aisha radiyallahu ta'ala anha said to me, "Don't you wonder at Abu so and so, who came and sat by my devling and started relating the traditions of Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam, intending to let me hear that while I was performing an optional prayer. He left before I finished my optional prayer. Had I found him still there, I would have said to him, Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam never talked so quickly and vaguely as you do." Sahih Al-Bukhari 3569, narrated Abu Salama bin Abdul Rahman radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, that he asked Aisha radiyallahu ta'ala anha, how was the prayer of Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the month of Ramadan? She replied, he used not to pray more than 11 rakat, whether in Ramadan or in my any other month. He used to offer 4 rakat, let alone their beauty and length, and then 4 rakat, let alone their beauty and length, and then 4 rakat, let alone their beauty and length. Afterwards, he would offer 3 rakat. I said, O Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam, do you go to bed before offering the witr prayer? He said, my eyes sleep, but my heart does not sleep. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3570, narrated Sharik bin Abdullah bin Abi Namar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. I heard Anas bin Malik radiyallahu ta'ala anhu telling us about the night when the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was made to travel from the Kaaba mosque. 3 persons, i.e. angels, came to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam before he was divinely inspired. Was an apostle while he was sleeping in Al-Masjid Al-Haram. The first of the 3 angels said, which of them is he? The second said, he is the best of them. That was all that happened then, and he did not see them till they came at another night, and he perceived their presence with his heart, for the eyes of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam were closed when he was asleep, but his heart was not asleep, not unconscious. This is characteristics of all the prophets. Their eyes sleep, but their hearts do not sleep. That Jibreel took charge of the Prophet sallallaho, alaihi wasallam and ascended along with him to the heaven. Like and subscribe my channel for more these videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.